Hello dear friends, behind me I have the 2023 Toyota Corolla Hatchback, and in this report I'm going to show you what to do when your tire pressure light comes on in the cluster gauge. It may mean several malfunctions, and Toyota's owner manual talked about that, and I want to share it with you. So let's take a look at that together. So first let's look at quickly the inside the hatchback of the 2023 Toyota Corolla. This is where the tire pressure sign will come up once you start the vehicle. Okay, you saw where the warning lights are, right? So now let's look at the tire in the meantime, since we're talking about the tire pressure, and you can see what they can mean. So wonderful tires, and when the tire pressure lightning comes on, after blinking for approximately 1 minute, if it stays, it can mean malfunction in tire pressure warning system. That means have the system checked by your Toyota dealer if a buzzer does not sound. But if a buzzer sounds, that means low tire inflation pressure for natural causes. Now, after the temperature of the tires has lowered sufficiently, check the inflation pressure of each tire and adjust to the specific level. Now, low tire inflation pressure from flat tire, that's one of the other things. Like I said, that's one of the other things. When the light comes on after blinking for approximately a minute, it can mean low tire inflation pressure from flat tire. That means you guys have a flat tire. Immediately stop the vehicle in safe place and perform necessary actions to check the tire pressure. As you can see, they have nice looking tires in the 2023 hatchback Corolla. God bless you everyone. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Let me know your thoughts if anything has happened to you like this with warning sign coming up and what measures you took, and I'll see you soon in our next report.